Competition in the Kenyan transport sector is a heated one, with stakeholders involved are often at pains to try regularize the sector. One of the most common modes of transportation of goods and people happens to be motorcycles. At an estimated 500,000 riders, motorcycles have become the preferred choice for travel for those looking to avoid the inconvenience of traffic. Safety, however, now becomes an issue, as 20% of deaths from road accidents are motorcyclists. Isaac Alua, chair of the Motorcycle Assemblers of Kenya, while at a Honda new model launch, said creating safety awareness is critical. The new Honda plans aims to satisfy local demand for motorbikes produced locally.
Come on, let's appreciate the Honda team for this.
Every Kenyan, we have millions and millions, tens of millions of us using motorcycles every single day. And therefore it is our responsibility to ensure that the regulations that have been set by the NTSA and the police are followed. It has been the responsibility and punishment would go previously just to the rider, but now it is even going further to the person who is being driven or ridden.
All right, so we now want to take a look at the financial markets, then we continue with sports.